Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data packs in Minecraft. Data packs are fantastic tools that allow you to deeply customize your game, introducing new elements like custom crafting recipes, unique advancements, or even entirely new game modes. To begin, you'll need to find a data pack. Look for them on reputable Minecraft community sites, making sure to select one that explicitly states compatibility with your current game version for a smooth experience. Once you have your desired data pack, installation is straightforward. Start by locating your Minecraft saves folder. This is usually within your Minecraft directory, which you can often access by typing %appdata% into your Windows search bar. Next, open the folder for the specific world where you want to add the data pack. Inside that world's folder, you'll see a data packs folder. Just drag and drop the entire data pack zip file into it, no need to extract it. With the data pack in place, load up your Minecraft world. To confirm it's recognized, open your chat and type /datapacklist. This command will show you all the data packs present, indicating if they are enabled or disabled. To activate a disabled pack, use /datapack_enable followed by the pack's name. Remember, some data packs might need a quick world restart or a specific command, often provided by the pack creator, to fully integrate their new features into your game. Should you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, check your game chat for error messages. They often point to the problem. Verify that the data pack is indeed compatible with your Minecraft version and that you've placed the file in the correct data packs folder. With a little troubleshooting, you'll soon be enjoying the vast and creative possibilities that data packs bring to your Minecraft adventures, transforming your game in countless exciting ways.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.